Ladies and gentlemen, this here is a story of two friends who had a falling out. Jake Teeter and his friend Jim Reed. The place was right here in Truckee, and the mood was ugly. Jake was a law and order man. Jim Reed was once Jake's deputy, but he had joined the Regulators 601. Their feud continued to escalate until one fateful day in 1891, Jim Reed is standing right here.
Ladies and gentlemen, I come to you today, ask for your endorsement as re-election as town council. I have always faithfully upheld the law.
Teeter is down. We don't know his condition.
Tell him what you made me do. You asked for it, Jake.
Now, how this story ends is Jake Teeter was buried to the cemetery above town with a proper headstone. Jim Reed was tried and found not guilty for reasons of self-defense, but Jim Reed was a broken man. He lived out his days as a lonely hermit, and he died. As for me, I go on to become one of the most beloved characters of Western fiction. We are the Railroad Regulators 601, folks. Have a great Independence Day, and as we always say, happy trails.
Thank you, Regulators, once again.